Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Aisha Chidole. I'm a trademark attorney here in Orlando, Florida, but I represent clients all over the United States and all over the world. As long as you want to file a trademark here in the United States because you're either doing business in the United States or you intend to do business in the United States, I'm able to represent you. So, today in lipsticks and trademark, I want to first talk about the lipstick I'm wearing today. I'm wearing Topped with Brandy. It is a MAC Retro Matte. I don't have it with me today, but just for those who want to know. And I'm just wishing all my fellow Floridians safety today. We're expecting Hurricane Dorian to hit sometime between Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. We really don't know what day. But stay safe, stay safe. If you don't, we will try to, be mobile so that we can communicate with our clients for those that are expecting deliverables from us anytime over the next few days. So we're just hoping for the best. What I wanted to talk about today was the new rules governing foreign trademark applications here in the United States. So I'm sure some of you business owners might have heard, those of you that are outside of the United States, as of August 3rd, you are now required to basically have a U.S. representative attorney representing you while you file your trademark. So who does this apply to? It applies to anybody putting in an application for a trademark. Number one, here in the United States, it applies to anybody that has received an examiner's amendment, an examiner's office action, a petition to the directors, even simple address changes. Basically, any communication from a foreign domiciled resident here in the United States, you're now required to have U.S. counsel representing you. So, what are some of the exceptions to the rules? If you're a foreign citizen. So, if you're a foreign citizen that's domiciled here in the United States, you are accepted from the rule. That being said, you need to be prepared to show proof that you are domiciled, here in the United States. Same thing for a foreign company that has a branch here in America. You just have to be prepared to show proof that you have a branch here, and you're sort of filing within. And then for even Canadians, so Canadian agents will still be allowed to prosecute applications for Canadian citizens, but they must appoint U.S. counsel as their domestic representative. So really, at the end of the day, if you can get a U.S. counsel, that is your best option so that you don't have to get a rejection and go back. And also now, applicants are actually being flagged. I'm sorry, I didn't mention that they're being filed under the new rule. And they're going to require, basically, if you're a foreign domiciled applicant currently, you're going to be given 6 months. So you have essentially 6 months to with the issuance of an office action to find a U.S. counsel to help you with your case. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you are an international client or foreign domicile client that has a pending application and wants to apply for a trademark here in the United States because you either intend to do business in the United States or you're already doing business in the United States, I'm very happy to assist you. You can give us a call, 407-995-6567, or you can also send me an email, which I'm going to put down below in the link, and I will respond to you directly. Have a wonderful day, and to all my Floridians, stay safe today.